Welcome to my channel Ganit Matrix. If you are preparing for engineering mathematics courses for universities like JNTUH, JNTUK, JNTUA, you are in the right place. I specialize in breaking down the complex exam problems into clear step-by-step solutions, so you can walk into your exams with total confidence. This is areas in Cartesian and polar coordinates problem series problem number 6. And here we will find the area enclosed by the curves y equal to 2 minus x, this is a straight line, and the circle x square plus y square equal to 4. So our problem is to find the smaller of the area enclosed by the curves y equal to 2 minus x and x square plus y square equal to 4. So basically our region is bounded by more than one curve, the straight line and the circle, so it must have points of intersection. So how to find the points of intersection? So you can substitute one expression into another expression so that we can find the value of one variable, either x or y. Since y equal to 2 minus x, substitute in the second equation, there is a circle equation, we will get x square plus y equal to 2 minus x whole square equal to 4. So expanding, this is x square plus 4 minus 4x plus x square equal to 4. Now this becomes x equal to 0 comma 2. Solving this, x equal to 0 comma 2. So if you substitute x equal to 0 here, we will get 2, and substitute x equal to 2 here, y equal to 0. So our points of intersections are 2 comma 0, 0 comma 2. So the graph and strip analysis, since x square plus y square equal to 4 is a circle with radius with center 0 comma 0 and radius 2, x square plus y square equal to 2 square. So our endpoints are 2 comma 0, 0 comma 2, minus 2 comma 0, 0 comma minus 2. These are the endpoints of the circle, and this is the straight line y equal to 2 minus x. The straight line y equal to 2 minus x. And also you know that the x-intercept and y-intercept of the lines are 2 comma 0, 0 comma 2. This is, you can find easily, right? X-intercept, substitute y equal to 0, then 2 minus x equal to 0, x equal to 2, 2 comma 0. Y-intercept, substitute x equal to 0, 0 comma 2. So y-intercept is 0 comma 2. Now the area formula is double integral r dy dx. Since first we are integrating with respect to y, now I am taking the vertical strip. Since this is the region of integration, because this is the area, this is the region common to both circle and straight line, and we will how to find the y limits? Draw the vertical strip through the region and identify where this strip enters the region and where this strip leaves the region. It enters at y equal to 2 minus x, the straight line, and leaves at y equal to, since x square plus y square equal to 4, y square equal to 4 minus x square, so the y equal to square root of 4 minus x square. So y varies from 2 minus x to square root of 4 minus x square. And what about the x limits? The x limits are from 0 to 2. Plug in the limits. This is, so first we integrate with respect to y. So integral dy is y, substituting the upper limit square root of 4 minus x square minus substitute the lower limit 2 minus x dx. So square root of 4 minus x square, which is nothing but square root of a 2 square minus x square dx, and this is of the form square root of a square minus x square dx. So integral square root of a square minus x square dx formula is x by 2 square root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse of x by a is 2. So right, minus, you multiply minus with this expression 2 minus x, minus 2 plus x. Integral minus 2 dx is minus 2x plus integral of x dx is x square by 2. So substituting the upper limit 2, so what will you get substituting the upper limit 2? Then here 4 minus 2 square, so we will get 0. Here also, now 4 by 2 is 2, sin inverse of 2 by 2, sin inverse 1, so 2 sin inverse 1, minus, so minus 2 into 2 minus 4 plus 2 square, that is 4 by 2, minus 4 plus 2 minus 2. So after substituting the upper limit, you will get 2 sin inverse 1 minus 2. If you substitute the lower limit 0, so here 0, 0, sin inverse of 0, 0 and 0, here 0, here 0. So you will get 0. So 2 sin inverse of 1 minus 2 is the final result. Since 1 is, sin inverse of 1 is, how to write? Sin inverse of 1 is sin pi by 2, 1 is sin pi by 2. So you will get sin inverse of sin pi by 2, which is pi by 2, 2 into pi by 2 pi. So pi minus 2. So which is the final answer. Thank you.